In this lesson, we will be discussing about learning architecture design process. In the last lesson, we learned about different software architecture models, and now we will turn our attention back to the architecture design process. The main purpose of architecture design process is to decompose the whole system into smaller components and implement all the non-functional requirements to the stakeholders by making sure the communication between these components. Every architecture design process includes some basic inputs and includes the set of requirements produced after the analysis phase, the hardware architecture of the whole system. The most important thing in an architecture design process is the output of the process. The output of the architecture design process is an architectural description. The main process of an architecture design process composes of the following steps. Understand the problem. This is the most crucial and lengthy step. The whole design of the system depends on this step. If you can understand the problem, then your design can easily adjust according to the requirement of the stakeholder. Without understanding the real problem, the architecture cannot provide an optimal solution. There are many cases in the field of software development where products fail because they cannot address the business problem. Recognize design components and their relationship. This is another important step in the architecture design process. In this step, the boundaries of the system are defined. The whole system is decomposed into different components depending upon the functional requirements. Decomposition of the components is achieved using Design Structure Matrix. DSM helps in showing dependencies among system components. At first, the validation of the architecture is completed, and this is achieved by describing the system instances of the architecture. Evaluation of architecture design. Every quality attribute in a system is given an estimate, and to calculate the quantitative data we need to evaluate the design. However, if all the quality attributes are according to the standard, the evaluation of design is finished. And if any of the quality attributes do not satisfy the standards, the design of the system is created again. Architecture design transformation. As soon as the architecture design evolution is completed, the transformation of the architecture takes place. Transformation of architecture design takes place using styles, operators, and patterns. To transform the design, take the existing design and apply different techniques like abstraction, compression, replication, and resource sharing. The architecture design is evaluated again and again until all the quality attributes satisfy the estimates.